Before the final experiment, before they left to Antarctica, Gerand stated that he didn't want another hit piece, and he referred to the Netflix documentary that he attended in that he thought was a kind of hit piece. What you see at the screen right now is different news articles from different media around the world. So, I'm sorry Jared, it's already what you call a hit piece. And I'm quite sure that this will go on for a while before newspapers and so on loves crazy stories, and to them this is a crazy story. And I'm well aware that you didn't admit that we live on a globe. You only admitted to see a 24-hour sun. But the news narrative is that you admitted that the Earth is a globe, and you have to live with it. So, now we will go on to another topic, compasses on the southern part of the world.
It's 190. My iPhone compass was saying something different than hers. The mechanical compass is saying different than both of them, but they're both in the same
Get this GPS.
All compasses are reading different. All, like, anything magnetic related is acting super weird out here.
The one you hear is Which It Gets It, and this is from one of the first nights in Punta Arenas before they went to Antarctica. So obviously they having problem with the compasses, and the magnetic compass acted weirdly. So why is the compasses acting weirdly down there in the south? Let's get into it. The Earth have a magnet field, and this magnetic field make no sense on a flat Earth, but all sense on a globe. Let's move on with this video.
It's a lack of magnetic emanation in the south. We said it. There's no South Pole.
And that was Lisbeth, the flat earther that did win the golden ticket to get to Antarctica. And the South Pole is the reason to you having problem with the compasses. We will get into that one more later on.
We do have a southern compass with us.
Hold on, this is the GPS, although it changes when I start moving.
GPS is saying west?
Yeah, it's showing that this is south behind us.
Look.
Wait, let me walk a little bit. See, now it moves. See, now it's moving.
And that voice is jeranism, Jeran, and he have this Garmin E-Trex 22X, and that one have a GPS compass, and to get it to work you have to move, and the bigger model 32X have an electronic compass. So he haven't read the manual, and it's quite funny. This is GPS satellite based.
It like powers off. Okay, look it. Go in here, go to compass. Okay, now let it go. Hold on, if I start walking then it changes. Dude, this thing keeps... I gotta change the power settings on this GPS unit. It keeps like turning off the screen. And then it comes back, here we go. Austin, walk with us over there and see what you get.
My advice to flat earthers planning to go on a field trip trying to prove their flat earth is to read the owner's manual before you go.
I'll see if Elizabeth will bring back over her compass here. I'd be normally able to use my phone as a compass here, but I can't because I'm just streaming on this phone. We really don't want to use any of the gear that we have, but I might use it tomorrow to film what happens here again. But it's weird because they don't. Oh, thank you. So you said what? 132. Let's go 132. Wait, what? No. That's 132?
If you want to do scientific observations on a flat Earth science, use a smartphone.
We do have a regular compass. Let me see the mechanical. The mechanical. Yeah, I'll show you. Just listen. Or what is that? Fox.
You know what would be really funny is the dog. If I did.
Okay, dog.
Definitely.
I wanted it to be more like adventurous, like, oh, these guys saw a fox out there. See it. Okay, see that?
Jaren, it's called a magnetic compass.
So totally, what's happening here? It's weird. I don't know if you can see this.
It's just funny that it's called.
The needle is totally dragging.
You can't make it up.
I can see it. It's terrible to go live on the iPhone. It's terrible.
Let's see it crack.
Yeah. If you can see the north needle's like way up high. You can see that. Can you see that?
What's that? Okay. Right, yeah.
You guys can see that. It's hard to see, but the north needle is.
We're not hot.
Isn't it? You hold it. Tell me if you think it's dragging.
Well, it's saying the biggest thing.
I mean, it could be also the.
It definitely looks like the needle could be broken.
Here they're facing two problems. First of all, they are using a northern compass in the south. There are 3 types of compasses, as you see here on the image, and the second one is it's a magnetic compass. Electronics and other things will affect it. It's basic knowledge about compasses. I will come back to this one.
Yeah. Do it again.
This is supposed to be a pretty good mechanical.
Yeah, it's like $100. 1 dB level. Thank her for it. You ready? So that's pretty simple.
Metal's gonna affect it.
Yes, it's a great compass if you use it in the right place and in the right way. But $100, $100, then you were scammed, Jaren. You can get it from the manufacturer's web shop for $39.99.
We're live. Say hi to everybody.
Hey guys, how'd they get a new
We were gonna.
mechanical compass?
The next day Lisbeth went out in southern Argentina and bought a new compass, and when you buy it in the southern Argentina you get a south compass. So did they know that it was a southern compass? We can't be sure. This next clip is from Jaren's last live stream from Antarctica.
But we do have a little bit of bad news. Please show how you're verifying direction. So it wouldn't matter, I'll just point that out real quick, if that was north, or that was north, or that was east, or that was west. Because the sun, since we've been here, has just done this. That sun will just do this. That's all it does. So I can show you what direction we are looking at. If I've got a, oh wait, I think I gave it back to the guy. I was gonna say I have a South Pole compass, but that's the one I showed yesterday.
So it's obvious that he have realized that his northern compass didn't work in the southern parts of the world, but did he reflect over the reason to that? A compass needle for the northern compass is balanced to work in the northern hemisphere, and the same in the southern for the southern hemisphere. If you use it on the other way, you have the effect that he showed earlier on in the video. And why is this? We're living on a globe. When you're in the southern parts of the Earth and having a northern compass, it's trying to point through the Earth. So this is a great proof that we live on a globe. But did these flat earthers realize it? I'm not sure, but they have proven it to be correct. The magnet fields of the world and the magnetic poles can't be explained on a flat Earth. So a big thank you to Lisbeth, Witsit Getsit och Jaren for proving the globe using a compass. And regarding the things in the beginning, I feel sorry for Jaren. He didn't want it to be a hit piece, but the will MC Toon and others have nothing to do with that it get into the media, because media is always looking for funny stories. So if you publish something on internet and they think it's funny, it will end up in the media. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all members and subscribers.